Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different table settings ideas for this holiday season. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video inspires you to create a beautiful table setting this season. So guys, idea number 1, it's one of my favorite because obviously it's a lot of glam and a lot of crystal, and that's my theme this year. So here I'm using a lot of whites and a lot of silvers, and I am obsessed with the way this table setting turned out, you guys. And let's talk about this table. That acrylic Christmas tree is from Homegoods. The candles that you see there with the snowflakes are from Homegoods, and they're gorgeous. They were only $6.99 each. Pretty deers are from Hobby Lobby, so I will try to link them below. Also, the candle holders, the crystal ones, the big one, are from Burlington, and that was a great find, you guys. I was supposed to share this on a haul, but I am like honestly so late for it. So place setting number 1, I have these beautiful napkins from Homegoods and this gorgeous, oh my god, napkin ring from Totally Dazzle. It's like in a snowflake with rhinestone. It's so beautiful. I will leave their link down in the description. So here I want to quickly show you how you could use ornament as your place setting, you guys. This is a little ornament. I just took the little hanging thing and I cut it off. And also this beautiful bowl that I got from Marshall's for $12.99. So much glam, so much blending, you know, I love that. So you could also use this as a topper for your plate, and it looks gorgeous. Look at that. So for idea number 2, I wanted to give you some ideas if you're using gold as your metallic. So here I'm pretty much doing a white and gold tablescape, and it's so pretty, you guys. Those beautiful candle holders are from Burlington, and they're a great find. The big one was $14.99 and the small one was $12.99. That wreath that you see in the middle, it's from a local store here in New York, and it was only $17.99. And I decided to just use it as a centerpiece and add candles, and I think it turned out just beautiful. The pillow that you see on the back are from Pier Ones. So for this table place setting, I decided to add this little Christmas tree ornament to the top of the plate, and also this beautiful napkin ring from Totally Dazzle, again using the same napkins, and it just looks so pretty. So guys, for this last idea, I kept the table setting the same as the previous. I just changed the centerpiece. I decided to add this beautiful slate that I got last year at TJ Maxx with my deers, my acrylic deers that I'm obsessed with, and they are from Hobby Lobby, like I said. So here's this setting. It's so glam, you guys. This one is also one of my favorite. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. Which one are you more likely to recreate this holiday season? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. See you on the next one. God bless.